In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and activate the Ubersuggest extension, a powerful tool by Neil Patel designed to enhance your SEO and keyword research directly from your browser. To get started, we'll first need to open the Chrome Web Store in your browser. Simply navigate to the website by typing in chrome.google.com/webstore into your browser's address bar. Once there, you'll see a search bar. This is where you'll need to type in Ubersuggest SEO and Keyword Tool by Neil Patel. Press enter, and the search results will display what you're looking for. Next, locate the Ubersuggest extension from the list displayed. Once you find it, click on the extension to get a closer look at what's included. Here comes the exciting part. Click Add to Chrome. A dialog box will pop up asking for confirmation. Hit Add Extension, and Ubersuggest will begin installing. This process should only take a few seconds, and you'll know it's complete when a notification pops up confirming the installation. To confirm that the installation was successful, look at the top right corner of your browser window. The freshly installed Ubersuggest extension is represented by a distinctive orange U icon. Don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Click the puzzle icon looking like a piece of a jigsaw on your toolbar, which will show all your extensions. From there, pin Ubersuggest so it's always visible on your toolbar. Now that installation is confirmed, the next step is logging in. Click on the Ubersuggest icon, and you'll be prompted to either log in with your existing Google account or create a free account if you're new to Ubersuggest. Follow the necessary steps for either option, and upon logging in, your Ubersuggest extension will be fully activated and ready to use. At this point, you're all set to explore one of the most useful SEO tools right from your browser. Head over to Google or YouTube and type in any search query that interests you. Instantly, Ubersuggest will display valuable insights like keyword search volume, SEO difficulty, cost per click, and an array of related keyword ideas to explore further. These insights will populate on an orange panel on the right side of your screen. You can either hover over this panel or click it to delve deeper into the data and functionality Ubersuggest offers. Remember, this tool is particularly valuable for anyone looking to optimize their content and enhance their online visibility. Use it to refine your search strategies, analyze trends, and ultimately elevate your digital presence. Enjoy diving into the world of SEO right from your browser and make the most out of this intuitive extension.